Tired of a cluttered Kvcore database slowing you down? Let's dive right into how to remove contacts in Kvcore using your desktop, keeping your data clean and your outreach effective. First, log into your Kvcore account and navigate to the Smart CRM section, usually found on the left-hand side menu. Now you'll see your entire contact list. Locate the contact you wish to remove. You can use the search bar to quickly find a specific person. Once you found the contact, look for the three dots menu, typically located on the right side of the contacts row. Click on these dots. A drop-down menu will appear here. You have two options: archive and delete. Archiving hides the contact but retains their information, while deleting permanently removes them from your system. Choose wisely. If you choose to archive, simply click the archive option. Kvcore might ask for confirmation. Go ahead and confirm. If you're sure you want to permanently remove the contact, select delete. A confirmation pop-up will appear warning you about the permanent removal of data. Read the warning carefully, and if you're absolutely certain, click the confirm button to permanently delete the contact. And that's it. The contact is now removed. For removing multiple contacts at once, look into Kvcore's batch actions functionality, allowing you to select multiple contacts and archive or delete them in one go. Keeping your Kvcore database clean and up-to-date is essential for effective lead management. Now go forth and declutter. #contact management, #data hygiene.